Hey, what's up guys, today I'll be reconstructing Feliks Zemdegs 4.22 second world record 3x3 solve. So you have to hold white on top and green at the bottom and then do the scramble. So here is the scramble. For his cross he did front prime, R prime, T prime, R. That got this block down here. Then he did a Y rotation, did this insert, and then did a small U to bring the X cross back there. Then for his first pair he did a U prime insert to bring that pair here. For his second pair he did this L prime U2 L U L prime U L to bring that there. And for his third pair he did U Y prime U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R. That completes the back pair there. He had a pretty simple OLL case, and from here you could probably see that he was going to get a skip. So he did what everyone would do. And he got a skip. So I hope you enjoyed this world record reconstruction. Comment down below if I should reconstruct the next 3x3 world record or any world record, and I'll see you next time.